Hello, I'm Eric Wood with AI Appointment Bookers. What I'm selling is a service of an inbound AI appointment scheduler where customers call and get scheduled into your calendars. Look, there's the chance that your firm does a bunch of appointments every day and your services are not high ticket items. So you're dealing with slim margins. Every little thing helps. Your core business is not handling appointments. The appointments are really a means to an end. So stop wasting appointments and let me deal with them. There's three ways that small businesses deal with appointments. First is basically just having business staff stop what they're doing, answer the phone, write the appointment down in a hurry, and then return to the task. The second way is they hire a dedicated scheduler that runs you about $15,000 per year at federal minimum wage. The third way is you buy some scheduling website software that the customers enter their data, but that really transfers the problem to the customer, especially new customers that have to type a bunch of data for the first time, or elderly ones. As for after hours, everybody does answer machines or voicemail. All of these are terrible. Interruptions cause chaos and worse service. Dedicated schedulers are expensive, even at minimum wage. Website schedulers cause a loss of business, especially with seniors. Good luck signing my mother-in-law on a website since she has only a flip phone and no computer. Answer machines and voicemail can't schedule appointments because they can't read the calendars for conflicts, or confirm the client gave you all the information, or handle the free-form questions with responses. So the answer is an inbound AI appointment scheduler, where customers call and get scheduled into your calculators. Service meaning that you pay a monthly fee. There's nothing for you having to maintain. I buy and maintain the phone line and hosting computer. All you need is a computer to get your call recap emails, and then connect to your appointment website to see your calendar. Listed on my webpage are 3 demo phone lines that you can test 24/7. The demos do not update a real calendar, but they'll give you a feel for artificial intelligence. The demo lines are different types of businesses, including a plumber, makeup artist, and you can even ask business information questions. Just call and see for yourself. Also listed in my web page are screenshots and example emails. The recap email that you get has a full text transcription of the conversation, and it's done through AI, transcribing the voice to text. However, there's a AI appointment booker phone line that does book you into my calendar. You get to try out AI further if you want to do this, and it's a way that we can talk. We'll get together and talk about how I might be a potential fit for you. As for why, it's 24/7, even on holidays. The cost, it's just a fraction of minimum wage. AI can handle languages other than English. It's great for seniors that just want a phone, and call on a landline. It gives a better written trail with emails to the firm and to the customer. It gives consistency. It gives instant responses since the AI is doing nothing but waiting around to answer the phone. It gives you scalability. If you've got high volume, maybe around Christmas time, then we can make you another seasonal phone line that people can call in on. So as for us, why us? It's a risk-free offer. If I don't get things scheduling for you, there's no cost to you. I'm not catering to mega corporations. I cater to small businesses, just like you. For most of us, I'm a local business in Dallas, Fort Worth. You understand what a small business like mine is, and I understand other small businesses like yours. You aren't just a file number or a customer number. You're a person with a name. I will know you and you'll know me. You won't get this level of service from big corporations. So the 30-minute meeting that you schedule is really to see how I can help your business. Get with your business partner, bring them to the meeting so it can be productive. I'd love to work with you. And thank you for your time.